In this video, I am going to explain one of the most important concepts of reasoning, that is number series. In this video, I am going to cover basics of number series. See, in number series, you will be given a set of numbers. You need to identify the missing number. For example, you are given a set of numbers like 19, 23, 27, 31, 39 and so on. Find the missing term. 19, 23, 27, 31, the term is missing in between, and next term is 39. How will you identify the missing number? Just we identify the pattern. Between 19 and 23, there is a difference of 4. 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. The same pattern continues. Next difference is again 4. Missing number should be 31 plus 4, 35. If missing number is 35, next difference 4, that is balanced. Differences are equal. Missing number is 35. Before moving to exercise, you should know one thing. There is no specific method or formula for identifying missing terms in number series. There is no specific formula and there is no fixed method. You need to go for number of trials in order to identify missing term. And for that, you should know some basics. And see, you should remember at least 20 squares and at least 10 cubes for solving basic questions in reasoning. Got it? And let us notice some standard series. For example, you see series of natural numbers. They start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. And difference between consecutive terms is 1. And if you go for whole numbers or integers, whole numbers start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Integers minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Still difference is equal. If you see for natural numbers, whole numbers and integers, there is a common difference. In case of even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on, even they have common difference, that is 2. And in case of odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on, there is a common difference of 2 units. And squares, going to squares, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square 16, 25 and so on. In series of squares, if you notice differences, 3, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25. You can expect the next difference. Next difference, 3, 5, 7, 9. Next difference should be 11. So next term should be 25 plus 11, that is 36. You see, after 5 square, 6 square comes. And even squares have a pattern in differences. If you find differences, there is a pattern 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Right? If you go for cubes, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216 and so on. Difference between first two cubes, 1, 8, difference is 7. 8, 27, difference is 19. 27, 64, difference is 37. 64, 125, difference is 61. 125, 216, difference is 91. Can you find any pattern difference? 7, 19, 37, 61, 91? No. And if you find difference of differences, 7, 19, difference is 12. 19, 37, difference is 18. 37, 61, difference is 24. 61, 91, difference is 30. If you find differences of differences, 12, 18, 24, 30, they have a pattern. 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 6 into 4, 6 into 5, 30. So in the same way, next difference must be 6 into 6, that is 36. 91 plus 36 is how much? 127. Right? 216 plus 127 is 6 plus 7, 13. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 343, which is 7 cube. If you see, all the terms are cubes. 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube. So in examination, if you can identify the pattern, it is okay. If you cannot identify, just check difference. From differences, you can find patterns. And this works for 99% of problems. Got it? Let's move to exercise. Find missing terms in the given series. 2 terms are missing. Identify them. And first check whether they are squares or cubes or powers of any numbers or not. There is no square or cube. So go for difference. 2, 5. Difference is 3. 5, 9. Difference is 4. We don't know next difference. We don't know next difference. And next difference is 7. In order to identify missing number, you need to find 2 differences. And if you check the pattern, difference is 3, 4, 2 terms are missing, next is 7. So missing differences are possibly 5, 6. Now they have a pattern 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If it is true, if 5 is next difference, 9 plus 5, 14 should be missing number. And next term 14 plus 6 20, so pattern is balanced, right? 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. Next 20 plus 7 27, next difference is 8, 27 plus 8 is 35. So missing terms are 14 and 35. Find missing term of the series 3, 7, 15, 31, 63 and next number. First check whether there are any squares or cubes or powers. If you can identify, it is okay. Otherwise, go for difference. Difference is 4. 7, 15. Difference is 8. 15 plus 16 is 31. 31 plus 32 is 63. 63 plus, we need to find next difference. And if you see the differences, 4, 8, 16, 32. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. So next difference should be 32 into 2, 64. If 64 is next difference, answer must be 63 plus 64, 127. Answer is 127. And there is another solution. Given series is 3, 7, 15, 31, 63 and identify the next term. 3 is 2 square 4 minus 1. 7 is 2 cube 8 minus 1. 15, 2 power 4 16 minus 1. 2 power 5 32 minus 1. 2 power 6 64 minus 1. Next 2 power 7, that is 128 minus 1. Missing term is 127. Or else given series is 3, 7, 15, 31, 63. Identify the next term. 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7. 7 into 2 14 plus 1 15. 15 into 2 30 plus 1 31. 31 into 2 62 plus 1 63. 63 into 2 126 plus 1. Missing term is 127. Whatever the logic you use, you are getting 127 as answer. Got it? And for any problem, if you can identify patterns, it is okay. 2 powers minus 1 or into 2 plus 1. If you can identify pattern, it is okay. If you cannot identify pattern, go for differences. If you find differences, you can find solution for almost every problem in number series. 5, 9, 17, 29, 45, find missing term. Right? None of them are squares, cubes. So go for a difference. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 12, 29. 29 plus 16 is 45. And next term is missing. And differences are 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 4, 16. Next difference should be 4 into 5, 20. Next difference should be 20. If next difference is 20, 45 plus 20, 65 is missing term. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Find missing term and note down one more term. And next term is 21. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. A term is missing. Then last term is 21. None of them are squares, cubes. So if you start with the difference is 1, 2, 3, difference 1, 3, 5, difference 2, 5, 8, difference 3. We don't know next difference. And next term is 21. For example, if you try with, you have 1, 2, 3. If you try with 4, 8 plus 4, next term should be 12. And next difference should be after 1, 2, 3, 4, next difference should be 5. 12 plus 5, there should be 17, but 21 is given, so this logic is wrong. See, you have differences 1, 1, 2, 3. If you go with this pattern 1, 2, 3, if you take next difference as 4, 8 plus 4, 12 is correct if next term is 17. But 17 is not given, 21 is given, so change logic. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. We don't know next term. Here 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 next is 13. 5 plus 8 next term is 13. And 8 plus 13 next term is 21. It is balanced. See, 1, 2. To get next term, add these two. 1 plus 2 is 3. Next, 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. If next term is required, next term is 13 plus 21, that is 34. So logic is, if a series is given A, B, next term is A plus B. Next term is A plus B. 3, 9, 27, 81 and identify next term. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 into 3 is 81. Next term 81 into 3, 243 is missing term. Answer is 243. Or if you can identify powers, it is 3 power 1. 3 power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. 3 power 4 is 81. And next term 3 power 5. 3 power 5 is 243. 0.5, 1.5, 4.5, 13.5 and find missing term. So this is similar to 5, 15, 45, 135 and so on. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 into 3 is 45. 45 into 3 is 135. 135 into 3. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 13, 39 plus 1, 40. 405. So missing term is 40.5. Answer is 40.5. 12, 32, 72, 152. Find missing term. Difference is 20. 12 plus 20, 32. 32 plus 40 is 72. 72 plus 80 is 152. We need to find next difference. If we can find next difference, we can find next term. And if you notice the differences are 20, 40, 80. 20 into 2 40, 40 into 2 80. Next difference is 80 into 2 160. If next difference is 160, 150 plus 162 is 312. Answer is 312. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 and 54. You see the differences. Difference is 1, difference is 1, difference is 3 and difference is 3. Difference is 9. So what is the possible difference? 1, 1, 3, 3, 9. Next possible difference is 9. If next difference is 9, missing term would be 18 plus 9, 27. So 27 is missing number. And if you notice, first term 1 into 2 is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 9 into 2 is 18. 27 into 2 is 54. So the pattern is balanced. Missing term is 27. Otherwise, you can do one more thing. Given series is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 and 54. Divide the entire series into two parts. 1, 3, 9, a term is missing. That is the first series. 2, 6, 18, 54. That is second series. And first series, 1 into 3 is 3. Ratio is constant. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Missing term is 27. And second series, 2 into 3 6. 6 into 3 18. 18 into 3 54. Balanced. So missing term is 27. 1, 9, 17, 33, 49, 73 and find missing term. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 16 is 33. 33 plus 16 is 49. 49 plus 24 is 73. So what is the possible difference? 8, 8, then 16, 16, then 24 and 24. So missing term is 73 plus 24, 97. Missing term is 97. 1, 6, 13, 22, 33. Find missing term. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 plus 11 is 33. What is possible difference for next term? 5, 7, 9, 11. Then possible difference is 13. 33 plus 13 is 46. Answer is 46. Missing term is 46. 6, 11, 21, 36, 56 and find missing term. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 10 is 21. 21 plus 15 is 36. 36 plus 20 is 56. And next difference, if you see differences are 5, 10, 15, 20. Next difference is 25. 56 plus 25 is 81. So missing term is 81. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and a term is missing. Next 17. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Find missing term. And before checking differences, once see the numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17 all are prime numbers. So after 11 immediate prime is 13. After 13 immediate prime is 17. So missing term is 13. Answer is 13. And if prime numbers series is given, You cannot find next term using difference. See, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, a term is missing, then 17. If you go through differences, 1, 2, 2, 4. What is the next difference? Started from 1, 2, 2, 4. Possibly it is 4. If it is 4, 11 plus 4 is 15. 15, 17, difference is 2. There is no pattern in differences, so you cannot use this logic. So whenever prime numbers series is given, you cannot find using differences. Difference method doesn't work. So remember prime numbers at least up to 100. See, in first 100 natural numbers, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. There are 25 prime numbers in first 100 natural numbers, and you should remember each and every number, each and every prime number up to 100 natural numbers. 1, 6, 15, a term is missing. 45, 66 and 91. Go for differences. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. A term is missing. 45 plus 21 is 66. 66 plus 25 is 91. And two differences are missing. And if you notice, 5, 9, difference is 4. Difference of difference is 4. 21, 25, difference of differences is 4. So if it maintains the same pattern, 9 plus 4, next difference is possibly 13. If it is 13, 15 plus 13, 28 is possible missing number. If 28 is missing number, this pattern should continue. So if it is 28, 28, 45, next difference is 17. Between 28 and 45 there is a difference of 17. Between 13 and 17 difference is 4. Between 17 and 21 difference is 4. So pattern is continued. So missing term is 28. 20, 19, 17 term is missing. Then 10 and 5. 20, 19 difference is 1. 19 minus 2, 17, term is missing. 10, 5, difference is 5. And if you see, differences are 1, 2, 2 terms are missing, next 5. So possibly missing differences are 3 and 4. If they are 3 and 4, missing term 17 minus 3 is possibly 14. 14 minus 4, 10. So pattern is balanced. See, the first difference is 3. 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 minus 4, we are getting next term 10. So logic is correct. Missing term is 14. Answer is 14. 2, 4, 12, 48, 240 and find the next term. In this series, in a span of just 4-5 terms, 2 is becoming 240. So it is increasing rapidly. So don't go for differences, just find ratio. I mean, first term is 2, second term is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 4 is 48. 48 into 5 is 240. So missing term is 240 into 6. What is 240 into 6? 1440. This is missing term. Answer is 1440. 3, 7, 6, 5, 9, 3, 12, 1, 15 and find missing term. More values are given, and if you start with the differences, To start with differences, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. There is no pattern in differences. So whenever you cannot find any pattern using differences, then possibly two series are combined here. If two series are combined, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, this forms a series. And second series, 7, 5, 3, 1 and next term. And 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So missing term is minus 1. After minus 1 it would be 18, but requirement is minus 1. Answer is minus 1. 3, 6, 18, 72 and find missing number. 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 3 is 18, 18 into 4 is 72. Possibly next term is 72 into 5. What is 72 into 5? 360. So missing number is 360. 3, 12, 27, 48, 75, 108 and find missing term. 3, 12, 27, 48, 75, 108. If you find differences, 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 15, 27, 27 plus 21, 48, 48 plus 27, 75, 75 plus 33 is 108. We need to find next term. And if you notice the differences, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 6 27, 27 plus 6 33. Next difference is possibly 33 plus 6. 33 plus 6 is 39. 108 plus 39 is 147. Answer is 147. Otherwise, 3 is 3 into 1, 3 into 4 12, 3 into 9 27, 3 into 16 48, 3 into 25 75, 3 into 36 is 180. You see, each term is 3 into a value, and that value is 3 into 1 square, 3 into 2 square, 3 into 3 square, 3 into 4 square, 3 into 5 square, 3 into 6 square, next 3 into 7 square, 3 into 49, 3 times 49, 147 is missing term. Either identify differences or pattern is 3 into 1 square, 3 into 2 square, 3 into 3 square, 3 into 4 square and so on. 7, 26, 63, 124, 125, 342. If you find differences, the problem gets more complicated because in the span of just 5-6 times, 7 is becoming 342. So series is rapidly increasing. Whenever series is rapidly increasing, difference method may not work. Then find ratios. 7 multiplied by what will give you 26? 26 multiplied by what will give you 63? No, we cannot identify any pattern. Then start from biggest number, 342. What is the nearest square or cube to 342? 342 is nearby 343, which is 7 cube. So 342 is 343 minus 1, 7 cube minus 1. And 215 is 216 minus 1, which is 6 cube minus 1. And 124 is 5 cube minus 1, 125 minus 1. 63 is 4 cube minus 1, that is 64 minus 1, 63. And 26 is 3 cube minus 1, 27 minus 1, 26. And 7 is 2 cube minus 1, 8 minus 1, that is 7. The pattern is cube minus 1. So missing term, next term is 8 cube minus 1. 8 cube is 512 minus 1. 512 minus 1 is 511. Answer is 511. 4 minus 8, 16 minus 32, 64. Find missing term. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 8 into minus 2, minus of minus plus, 8 into 2, 16. 16 into minus 2, minus 32. Minus 32 into minus 2, plus 64. Plus 64 into minus 2, minus 128. So missing term is minus 128. And next series, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56 and find next number. We start with differences. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. Plus 10, 30. Plus 12, 42. Plus 14, 56. And next difference is possibly after 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Next difference is 16. 56 plus 16 is 72. Missing number is 72. Otherwise, this series is given, we need to find missing term. 2 is 1 into 2, 6 is 2 into 3, 12 is 3 into 4, 20 is 4 into 5, 5 into 6 is 30, 6 into 7 42, 7 into 8 56, next 8 into 9, answer is 72. Right? First term 1 into 2, second term 2 into 3, third term 3 into 4, 10th term 10 into 11. We require the term after 56. After 7 into 8, it is 8 into 9, 72. Otherwise, the given series is 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56. First term 2 is 1 square plus 1, 1 square 1 plus 1, 6, 2 square 4 plus 2, 12, 3 square 9 plus 3, 20, 4 square 16 plus 4, 30, 5 square 25 plus 5, 6 square 36 plus 6, 7 square 49 plus 7 56. Next term is 8 square plus 8, 64 plus 8, 72. So missing term is 72. Got it? 5, 16, 49, 104 and find missing term. 5 and 16. 5 into 3, 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 into 3, 48 plus 1 is 49. 49 into 3, 147 plus 1, it should be 149, but 104 is given. So logic is wrong. Change the logic. Given series is 5, 16, 49, 104. 5 plus 11 is 16. 16 plus 33 is 49. 49 plus 55 is 104. What is the next possible difference? After 11, 33 and 55, 11 plus 22 is 33. 33 plus 22 is 55. After 55, it should be 77. 104 plus 77 is 181. Answer is 181. 3, 8, 22, 63, 185 and find missing term. If you find differences, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 14 is 22. 22 plus 41 is 63. 63 plus 122 is 185. There is no pattern in differences. If you find difference of differences, 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 27 is 41. 41 plus 81 is 122. Here it is 9 into 3. 9 into 3 27. 27 into 3 81. So next possible difference 81 into 3. What is 81 into 3? 243. 122 plus 243 is 365. 185 plus 365 is equal to 550. Missing term is 550. If you find differences are 5, 14, 41, 122, 365. And if you find difference of differences, if you find difference further, they have a pattern 9, 27, 81. So next possible difference is 243. If next difference is 243, next difference is 365. 185 plus 365 is 550. Or second method, 3, 8, 22, 63, 185. 3 into 3, 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 into 3, 24 minus 2 is 22. 22 into 3, 66 minus 3 is 63. 63 into 3, that is 189. 189 minus 4 is 185. If you see, the pattern is into 3 minus 1, into 3 minus 2, into 3 minus 3, into 3 minus 4. Next it will be into 3 minus 5, into 3 minus 5. What is 185 into 3? 3 into 5 15, 3 into 8 24 plus 1 25, 3 into 1 3 plus 2 5. 555 minus 5 is 550. Answer is 550. Either you find difference or you find pattern. However, answer is 550. 2, 12, 36, 80, 150 and find missing term. If you find differences, 2 plus 10 is 12. 10 plus 24 is 36. 36 plus 44 is 80. 80 plus 70 is 150. We need to find next difference. 10, 24, 44, 70. Do they have any pattern? No. So find differences further. 10 plus 14 is 24. 24 plus 20 is 44. 44 plus 26 is 70. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. So possibly next difference is 26 plus 6. What is 26 plus 6? 32. Next difference is possibly 6. 26 plus 6 is 32. 70 plus 32 is 102. 150 plus 102 is 252. Answer is 252. If you find differences, you can find answer. Otherwise, if you can find pattern, the given series is 2, 12, 36, 80, 150. 2 is 2 into 1. 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 9, 36. 5 into 16, 180. 6 into 25, 150. And they have a pattern. 2 into 1 square. 3 into 2 square. 4 into 3 square. 5 into 4 square. 6 into 5 square. 7 into 6 square. 7 into 36. 210 plus 42. 252 is missing term. Answer is 252. Otherwise, given series is 2, 12, 36, 80, 150. 2 is 1 cube plus 1 square. 1 cube 1 plus 1 square 1, sum 2. 2 cube plus 2 square. 8 plus 4 is 12. 3 cube 27 plus 3 square 9. 27 plus 9 is 36. 4 cube 64 plus 16 80. 125 5 cube plus 25 5 square is 150. So next term is 6 cube plus 6 square. 6 cube is 216, 6 square is 36, 216 plus 36 is 252. So missing term is 252. However, answer is 252. Got it?